Step 1. Establish a vagina-heart connection, still clothed. Sit in a comfortable sitting position and place your right hand on your vagina. Your left hand is placed on your heart. Feel the connection between both centers. Visualize energy flowing from the heart, down to your vagina. Step 2. Breathe in orgasmic oxygen. Oxygen is the O in orgasm. Start breathing fresh orgasmic oxygen into your body, with a deep full inhale, all the way down to your vagina. Count to 5 after inhale. Imagine you are filling up your vagina with energy. Then exhale, imagine your vagina is relaxing and releases all the old energies, which she doesn't need anymore. Count to 5 after exhale. After 2 minutes, start making an sound on the exhale to amplify the effects of this practice. Note, the moaning sound might feel awkward at first, but it's the best practice I know to really find sexual confidence, which is required for the next steps to follow. Take up the space that you deserve. Step 3. Make oily love with your body. Undress slowly. With each piece of clothing you are peeling something off that you don't deserve anymore. Imagine you are, for example, peeling shame off with your shirt, judgment off with your trousers, self-hatred off with your undies, anything that you individually would like to peel off from your life. Then start covering your whole body in coconut oil. This process can take its time. Really slow down. Use your breath to find your rhythm. Enjoy this process of touching your whole body, covering it with this nourishing, beautiful smelling oil. Make sure you give enough attention to your beautiful breasts, circling them, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Play around with your nipples, squeeze them, tingle them, tease them. This will release a lot of yummy love hormones which fill you up with excitement. Step 4. Approach yourself patiently down there. Once you're finished the breast massage, you can slide your hands down to the pubic bone area. Massage this area in circles with your palms and fingertips. Especially on the left and right side. You will feel tiny lymph nodes. Gently activate them in circles. Massage your inner thighs, stroking towards your vagina. Massage your whole hip area to loosen up. You can even dance a little bit with hip circling movements to loosen up a little. Even an awesome booty dance with Beyoncé will do a great job in helping you let go. Place your right hand on the entrance of your vagina again. In your mind, ask her for guidance and support. Start massaging the outer lips by squeezing them with your thumb and index finger together. You can stretch your outer labias in all directions as if you were giving them a good thorough yoga stretch. Squeeze them separately. Squeeze them together. Then approach your inner lips, do the same stretch and squeeze. As long as it's comforting. Step 5. Warm up your sweet clitoris. The clitoris is the rawest and most explosive pleasure organ women have. Use it to warm up, but don't overstimulate it. Just use it as an appetizer. Make sure to use a lot of coconut oil. You can indirectly arouse your clitoris by pressing the outer labia together and moving your fingers up and down a little. Lift the hood of your clit and gently, very, very gently rub the tip of your clit with one finger. Focus on the very tiny, tingly sensation. Read more on clitoral orgasm here. Step 6. Vaginal mapping. Use even more coconut oil for the inside, unless you are wet enough. Start inserting your middle finger, very slowly, very consciously. Squeeze your vagina muscles while inhaling, imagine the muscles are sucking in your finger, and relax your muscles while exhaling. Let your vagina naturally invite your finger in. There shouldn't be any pressure, physically or mentally. Take your time. Be conscious of this moment. Once your middle finger is inside, simply feel her warmth, texture, tightness and wetness. For the next steps, consider using your index, middle finger. Also the thumb can be useful for massaging out tension and providing an easier reach. Start with a reflexology massage just a few centimeters inside the entrance wall of your vulva. Press your index and middle finger up against the 12 o'clock position, just below the pubic bone. Stay on each point a little bit and breathe into this area. Feel to find out whether you are holding anything physically or emotionally stored in each clock space. Then move to the 1 o'clock position, press hold and breathe in. Feel. Do this with the entire clock rotation until you return to 12 o'clock again. On the 6 o'clock position, it's easiest to use your thumb, pressing down towards your anus. A sitting position, leaning on a pillow, is best for vaginal mapping. Step 7. Going deeper and deeper. Move your fingers around your vaginal walls, with your index and middle finger, in circles, circling deeper and deeper inside. You want to gently touch every part of your vaginal walls. Check for tension, numb areas, and knots. Stay there if you don't feel anything until you do feel something. Massage all knots out. Breathe through it in case you feel pain. Go to your G-spot. The G-spot is right inside the upper front wall, and make a figure of 8 around it. You can press on it gently. Can you feel a spongy area? If you feel pleasure, continue to press on it a bit harder, yes, even harder. Then start stimulating it with a come hither motion till you get the feeling that you have to pee. When you get the peeing feeling, you have to bear down and almost push out a little. Your body will manifest itself with sexual energy through the squirting orgasm. Don't worry, it's not pee. And if it is, you have all those towels, remember. Just experiment. The Lelo is also handy when it comes to G-spot orgasm. The curve helps to press on the G-spot and perform the come hither motion faster by yourself. Insert the Lelo with the curvy part and press the outside end down, so the tip goes up and hits right on your G-spot. Use the pointy part to massage out any deeper tension inside. Step 8. Cervical bliss. Many women experience pain during cervical penetration. Often the reason is emotional tension in this area. You want to gently penetrate and massage around the cervix to face and release all emotions and tensions. Make sure you are wet enough. Go into an active position, like riding your dildo from top, in the doggy style position, or take a kneeling position. Check out my organic dildo article. Insert your dildo, ideally a bit bigger than the Lelo, something like the Outlaw or a longer zucchini, carrot, with a condom on. Try different positions. Move your hips horizontally forwards and backwards, sideways, and also, if you feel like it, up and down. Don't forget your breasts. Re-establish the connection between your vagina and your heart. Express what needs to be expressed. If you experience pain, breathe through it and come back to your clit for arousal, then go back to the inner parts. Try to focus on the sensations. Do you feel all parts of your vagina? Focus. Where the mind goes, the energy F. Don't forget to use your breath. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Massage out any knots or pain spots. Find the magic spots that work for you, step by step. Have patience, surrender more and more. Dive into the sensations. Let go. Whenever you feel bored, change position, change the spot you are arousing, or read an erotic novel. Read more on cervical orgasm here. Step 9. Experiment with body positions. We are talking about vaginal massage. This means it's going to be a little bit harder to relax, as in a tantric yoni massage, where you are just relaxing and letting go. So make sure you prep your body with as many pillows and as much comfort as you need. Try different positions. Kneeling. Lying on your back. Lying on your belly. Doggy style. Sitting with your feet bent and some pillows for your back. Standing, holding yourself on the wall. Experiment. Step 10, Final integration. Once you feel you have enough, sit still for a few minutes in meditation. Place your right hand on your vaginal entrance again and your left hand on your heart. Re-establishing this connection and thanking your vagina from your heart for allowing you to massage her. Scan your full body. How does your body feel? Scan your mind. What does your mind produce? Step 11. Go to the toilet. Make sure you go straight away and pee after the massage, This prevents urinary tract infections, UTI. I actually do this after sex as well. It's a precious little tip for UTI prevention. Now it's your turn to practice and learn how to massage your vagina. Schedule a date with yourself right away. Take about 1.5 hours for the whole process, with preparation, massage and shower afterward. I wrote this article to make this practice available to everyone, with or without a boyfriend. You now have a powerhouse of a tool to really give the love and attention that your vagina deserves. This will awaken sensitivity. You will learn more about what you want and find confidence as a lover. Plus, you will dive into wonderful pleasures and amazing insights into your body. Remember, your vagina is your sacred temple. It holds precious wisdom and the potential for your growth. If you want to know more about yoni massage, sign up for my newsletter below and receive my ebook on yoni massage with a partner. Or check out my online program for learning the techniques with a partner.